Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. Now, if you're seeing vertical lines on your new iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, you want to follow these steps to fix it. So it seems to be a software bug or glitch going on where the display shows vertical lines. Now, in order to temporarily fix this, you're going to go into your settings, go to display and brightness, and then go to always on display, and you're going to turn this setting off. Now, this isn't the desirable result that you want, but this will go ahead and fix it until Apple produces a software fix for it. And for that, what you're going to do is go into your settings, go to general, software update, and keep on checking if there's an update out. Right now I'm on 18.2. It seems to be fixed, and if it's not, just keep on doing this. And then once it's fixed, you're going to go back to your settings, and then you can always go back into your display and brightness and turn this setting back on whenever you see that it's been fixed. But for now, I would recommend is turning off that always on display on your iPhone in order to fix any vertical lines or flickering that you may be seeing on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.